Guys, unsubscribe. It's fine. At least 998. Come on. You guys are better than that. Come on. If everybody in the chat right now unsubscribed, we could be at like 990,000. Come on. Come on, guys. It doesn't matter. Just unsubscribe. It's not that hard. Just click the subscribe button and you'll be unsubscribed. It's super easy. Yes, bring it down. No. Okay, if we hit 990,000 subscribers, I will, what should I should do something crazy. Oh, don't do super chats. No, I'm not doing this for... How do I disable super chats? I'm not trying to make any money off this. Hold the phone. Give me a second here.